Are you looking for the best robot vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the best robot vacuums. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ecovacs Deebot X2 Omni. The Ecovacs Deebot X2 Omni is the most self-sufficient robot vacuum that we've ever tested. The X2's robust array of sensors help it efficiently map and navigate your home. The built-in AI determines vacuum strength and water flow on the fly based on the room it's cleaning. It lifts the mops away from carpeted surfaces automatically. When it's done, it returns to the base station, empties its dustbin, washes and dries its own mops, then refills its tank from the larger reservoir in the base. The Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni previously held this spot and is still a solid option, but the X2 adds hot water mop washing, lifting mop pads, and increased suction power to outdo its predecessor. This is a top-of-the-line model with a price to match. If you're willing to pay a premium for convenience, it's worth considering. Since it navigates well and can store multiple maps, it's a top option for those with big homes and a mix of floor types. It handles hair and fur well, so it's suitable for homes with shedding pets. The Roborock and Roomba hybrids on this list have their own advantages, but the Deebot X2 Omni is our top 2-in-1 pick thanks to its strong performance and automatic mop maintenance features. The mid-range Ecovacs Deebot T20 Omni makes for a good alternative if you want to save some money, but if you can swing it, we prefer the premium X2 Omni, which offers more powerful suction, home security camera functionality, and lifts the mop higher. Number 2. Shark IQ Robot Self. These days, automatic dustbin emptying is becoming a standard robot vacuum feature. While most self-emptying robot vacuums transfer the contents of their bin into a bag, the Shark IQ Robot XL takes a different approach. It has two dustbins, one in the robot itself, and a larger one in the base station that only needs to be emptied about once a month. The advantage of Shark's bagless auto-empty system is that you never have to worry about running out of bags. The Shark IQ Robot XL also stands out for its self-cleaning brush roll, which in our testing successfully prevented hair from getting wrapped around it, a common problem with many robot vacuums. It delivered strong suction power, effectively cleaning dust, debris, and pet hair from hard flooring and carpet, and it never got stuck. It offers a number of useful smart features, including home mapping for targeted room cleaning and virtual no-go zones. PCMag readers love Shark robot vacuums as well. When it comes to customer satisfaction, Shark ranks above other popular brands like iRobot and Eufy, according to our most recent Reader's Choice survey. If you're looking to upgrade from a basic robot vacuum to one with self-emptying abilities, the Shark IQ Robot XL is an excellent choice. Thanks to its bagless self-emptying system and self-cleaning brush roll, it's one of the lowest maintenance robot vacuums we've tested. The more expensive Shark AI XL is another compelling choice that offers double the bin capacity of the Shark IQ XL. Number 3. Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra. The Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra stands alongside the Ecovacs Deebot X2 Omni as one of the most hands-off floor cleaning robots on the market. Like the X2 Omni, this high-end hybrid can do it all. It vacuums and mops your floors, then empties its dustbin, washes its mopping cloth, and refills its water tank, so it's always ready for the next run. With a maximum suction rating of 5,100 pascals PA, the S7 MaxV Ultra is among the most powerful models we've tested, too. It features Roborock's VibraRise mop lifting technology to prevent carpet wetting on double-duty cleaning runs, though Dream and Roomba have methods that work better. Finally, it's compatible with a $100 hot air dryer attachment that prevents bacteria and odors on the mopping pad, a feature that comes standard on the X2 Omni. If you're deciding between this Roborock model and the similar X2 Omni, go with the former if you have a lot of hard flooring and you mainly care about mopping performance. Roborock Spot uses sonic vibration technology to scrub your floors 3,000 times per minute, while the X2 Omni's circular mopping pads spin at 180 revolutions per minute. Both robots left our test floors spotless, but the S7 MaxV Ultra is slightly better at deep cleaning. The newer S8 MaxV Ultra offers some upgrades including a more streamlined base station, a built-in voice assistant, and a boost in suction power, but it stumbled over a variety of obstacles in our testing. Number 4. Bissell SpinWave Wet and Dry Robotic Vacuum. Although Bissell has been making upright wet and dry vacuums for years, the SpinWave Wet and Dry is its first robot model that can do double duty. It works quickly and quietly, reliably sucking up pet hair and dust from hard floors and low-pile carpeting. Swap out the dustbin for a wet tank and the robot zips around hard floors, scrubbing them clean with its dual spinning mopping pads. Don't worry about carpeting and area rugs, though. This device automatically detects and avoids those floor types. We also like that Bissell offers several different cleaning solutions: multi-surface, pet multi-surface with Febreze, and sanitizing. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly hybrid that excels as a mop, the Bissell SpinWave Wet and Dry is a top choice. It lacks some features available on pricier models, including home mapping abilities, voice controls, and a self-emptying dustbin, but it offers better mopping performance than most other 2-in-1 robots in this price range because of its spinning microfiber pads and support for sanitizing and deodorizing cleaning solutions. We recommend this model for homes with pets or difficult-to-clean hard flooring. Number 5. iRobot Roomba J9 Plus. The Roomba J9 Plus uses a camera and machine learning technology to recognize and avoid obstacles as it works. It also learns which rooms in your home tend to be dirtier, and will prioritize those places first on future runs. After it learns its way around, it will navigate your home with ease and efficiency, moving gracefully around chair legs and into corners. The Roomba J9 Plus series also offers best-in-class obstacle avoidance, with the ability to steer clear of common household objects like slippers, pet toys, and pet waste better than the competition. When it recognizes an obstacle, it snaps a picture that you can review in the app to easily create a keep-out zone for future runs. Add in strong cleaning power and long battery life, and the Roomba J9 Plus checks all the boxes for a premium robot vacuum. If you want a premium robot vacuum with standout obstacle avoidance and a poop evasion guarantee, the Roomba J9 Plus is the choice for you. Its predecessor, the Roomba J7 Plus, offers the same reliable obstacle avoidance, serving as a good alternative if you want to save a little money, but the J9 Plus has stronger suction power, longer battery life, and added smarts to prioritize dirty areas.